Howdy, this is Randy, your Chief Memory Architect, right here in the Getaway Travel Cantina. And today we're going to talk to you about how to get U.S. passports in 2022. For more information like this, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and be notified when we get a new video. We post at least one new video every week. Make sure to check out the description below for any links we mentioned during this video. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, if this is your first time applying for a passport, or if you've had a passport and it's expired and it's been more than 15 years, then you're going to have to complete a DS-11 U.S. passport application form. Then you're going to have to go in person to a passport facility. To find that online form, you go to travel.state.gov and either complete the form online or you can complete it by hand. One thing to notice on this form is that there's two selections at the top. Selection number 1 is a passport book. Selection number 2 is a passport card. There is a big difference between the two because a passport card, you can only use that if you're traveling by ship to some of the Caribbean countries or traveling by land into Mexico or up north into Canada. However, the passport book, that will get you anywhere in the world. So we highly recommend you go ahead and spend the extra money and get the passport book. Next, you'll need to gather your required documents, which are a passport photo, birth certificate, or your naturalization certificate, identification, and of course some form of payment. First, you'll need to get a passport photo. It's important that you go to a place that specifically takes photos for passports, such as FedEx, UPS stores, Walgreens, CVS, or some post office provide this service as well. It's important that you do not wear glasses, a hat, go figure. And taking the photo passports typically costs under about $15. Next, you'll need a state-issued birth certificate or naturalization papers. It's important to take your original document along with copies. Definitely make copies of everything. Hospital birth certificates are not accepted. The ones with the little feet on there, those don't work, friends. It must be state certified for any of it to work. You'll also need to present one of the accepted forms of identification. Now, regarding payments for passport, they must either be check or money order. There's two separate payments required. First, the acceptance facility or post office, where you'll need to pay a $35 execution fee, and that's paid by check. The other fee should be paid by check or money order to the passport office along with your documents. We recommend you don't fill out the amount on the check until the passport agent sums it up. However, if you're paying by money order, you can use the fee calculator to calculate your total cost. So schedule an appointment at a U.S. passport acceptance facility. Most people turn in their passport application at a U.S. post office. However, there are a few other places that will accept these applications. Find a location near you by going to a passport acceptance facility search page. For a local post office, you'll need to make an appointment by going online to the USPS.com/scheduler. Currently, as of October of 2021, it's taken about 8 to 11 weeks to process passports. After you've submitted your passport information, you're definitely going to want to check your passport status and see how long it, so you can stay up with how long it's taken to get your passport. Currently, it's 8 to 11 weeks, but that could vary. But you can definitely stay up to date on the status by going online to the usgov.gov website and checking it out. So stay tuned. Check out, get your passport because we're ready to send you somewhere fun and create that amazing experience.